Welcome to all. Myself, R. Vivek, Assistant Professor in Mechatronics Engineering, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology at Tiruchendur. In this video, I am going to talk about the subject is 50 MCL05 Robotics and Automation. The first topic of robotics and automation is various generations of robot. In this video, I'm going to deeply discuss about the various generations of robot. The syllabus of first unit is definition of origin of robot and different types of robot and various generation of robot and degrees of freedom and laws of robotics. So what is robot? The definition of robot is a word robot was coined by a French novelist Carl Bach in a 1920 play titled Ransom Universal Robot RUR. A robot is a word for a worker. The official definition of robot was given by a Robot Industry Association, that is RIA, formerly known as a Robot Institute of America. Is what is mean robot means? A robot is a reprogrammable, a multifunctional, a manipulator designed to move a material, a parts, a tools, or specialized device through variable programming machines for the performance of a variety of tasks. A robot is clearly known. It is a programmed one, a multifunctional manipulator to move any kind of material or tools by the program mode. The advantages of robot is everyone knows. A robot increase productivity, safety, efficiency. A robot can work in hazardous environment. A robot need to environmental comfort, and a robot work continuously without experience of fatigue problem. A robot have repeat precision at all times. A robot can be much more accurate than the human. A robot can process a multi stimuli or task. A disadvantage of a robot is a robot replace human worker, creating economic problems. A robot lack capability to respond in emergencies. So these are all the main advantages and disadvantages. Compared to disadvantages, more advantages are there to use a robot. So define automation. So what is automation means? The definition of automation is the use of machines and technology to make process run on their own without a manpower. And so it is the definition of automation. Without manpower, the action will take place. That is called as a automation. The automation of production system can be classified into three types. The first one is fixed automation, and second one is programmable automation, and third one is flexible automation. Classifications of robot based on it is further classified, mainly classified is based on the application and based on the configuration. So based on the applications, it is called as a industrial robot, a tele robots, a polar robot, and laboratory robot, and a hobbyist robot, and educational robot, and medical robot. These are all the robots coming under the applications of robot, and based on the configuration, a polar configuration robot and cylindrical configuration robot and Cartesian coordinate configuration robot and joined arm configuration robot. And these are the two major broad categories for classifications of robots. Classification based on the applications. All uh, all are this diagram already seen in every industries. So every industries this kind of missile robot is used to move the from place to move the parts between one place to another place. And this is tele robots. So tele robot means A telerobot is the area of the robotics concerned with the control of semi-autonomous robot from a distance, chiefly using a wireless network. So, are likely called as a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, the deep space and network similar. By use by with the help of a wireless or Bluetooth, we can control the robot. Means it is called as a tele-robot. This is an explore a robot. You look at this diagram of the robots. We are came to know what is explorer robot. So there are used to uh, go where humans cannot go and where to go. So human cannot go and where to go. That means we can able to send a robot. So this is called as an explorer robot. This one is a laboratory robot. So laboratory robot is the act of using robot is biology or chemistry lab. For example, paramedical and companies employ robotic to move biological or chemical samples around a synthesis of novel and chemical entities to test. So look at this robot, this paramedical robot. So everyone knows a chemical it causes to the human being. That time that's why we are going to use the robots, laboratory robots. This one, these two diagrams of the hobbyist robot. We all know what is hobbyist. It is an entertainment purpose. This category of robots are generally used for entertainment purpose and experimenting purpose. This robot usually equipped with a speech synthesis techniques. This type of robot is called as a hobbyist robot, and this is a very much essential robot. So why? Because this robot is used in medical purpose, medical robots. So medical robot is a robot used in the medical science. They include a surgical robot. These are in most telemanipulators which use the surgery action on one side to control the effector on the other side. So look at this diagram. A robot can do a surgery purpose. This one is a various generation of robot. There are five variations in current world. The first generation is called as a first generation is a simple mechanical lamp. So this is called as a simple mechanical lamps. It is able to this mechanical lamp is used to hold the some product or to pick and place robot. This kind of with this kind of robot is called as a first generation of robot. This second generation of robot, second generation robot has such a robot is equipped with sensor. That first generation is just a programmed one, but it is doing a limited purpose only. When you look at this second generation, it is equipped with more sensors. So more sensor means so it, doing the performance is in an accurate manner. And this is the third generation of robot. So this autonomous robot or insect robot. This diagram is this robot is an autonomous robot, and these two diagrams are insect robots. Autonomous robot can work on its own. We all know. Without the help of human being, the robot can perform in a own. And this insect robot, there are some situations in which autonomous robots do not perform efficiently. In this case, the insect robot can perform. And fourth generation Any robot of a sort yet to be seriously put into operation is a fourth generation of robot. An example of this might be robots that reproduce and evaluate or incorporate biological as well as mechanical component. So cognition, please cognitive are cognitive robots. And fifth generation, we all know this robot is called as a Sophia robot. It is a familiar robot. It is a humanoid robot. A robot controller with involved complete artificial intelligence, a miniature sensor, and decision-making capabilities. It completely replica of human beings, action and speech and eye blinking all are doing this robot artificial intelligence, the help of artificial intelligence. So thanks for watching. So thanks for watching once again. Keep learning and growing with K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology.